Hello ladies, thank you for joining. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial how to achieve sultry eyes and pouty lips. Stay with me.
I apply the hydrating smooth concealer all over the eyelid, making sure I'm spreading it well before applying the eyeshadow. All over the eyelid, I'm using Oro, a sheer gold eyeshadow, and on the lower lid, Dragonfly, a beautiful sparkling deep green, making sure that I'm applying the color up to the crease. With penny eyeshadow, I blend all over the crease, making sure I'm diffusing Dragonfly for a seamless transition. To lighten up the inner eye corner, I'm using Nube, a semi-matte white eyeshadow, and diffusing it towards the lid. For a higher arch illusion, I'm also applying it at the brow bone.
Oops, I forgot to hit recording for the part of putting the eyeliner and the foundation, powder, and blush and bronzer. But you can see that in my previous tutorial.
At the lower and upper waterline, I'm using Look at Me black eye pencil and Winker at the lash line, making sure I'm buffing it with a sponge at the end of the pencil. Brook 80 brow pencil comes with two universal tones. I'm using the darker shade to frame and the lighter to fill, and the brush to soften the strokes. With your mascara brush the lashes in and immediately out. This will give an instant curl effect to the lashes. This sultry look must have mascara at the bottom of the lashes. Labia 05 is a fantastic true red that glides effortlessly. Define your lips from corner to center, making sure to trace a line in the middle of the lower and upper lip for a pouty effect. Apply Ava lipstick all over. A beautiful sheer wine. Love this color. The actual powder effect comes by applying a dab of Angelo's face gloss at the center of each side on the bottom and upper lip, making sure to blend with the lipstick. To create the magic, use Baby Drool lip gloss for the perfect powder lips. Even out the lip frame with the concealer to make them look even. Also apply a little bit of concealer on the hollow areas under the eyes. Finally, Angelo's face glow on the brow bone, cheekbone, center of the nose and tip, and to her chin to make the illusion of a longer chin.